Tito J's Almond Flatitos. Ayan. Ito yun, oh. So, ayan. Almond Flatitos. All around low carb flatbread. Ang ingredients, almond flour, psyllium husk eggs, oil, salt, vinegar, herbs, and spices. Tapos dito, total carbohydrate is 9 gram minus dietary fiber 6 gram. Total net carb is only 3 grams. Ay, sino kayang mananalo ng almond flatitos? Yan, ang dami. Yan. Oops, meron ding OTAP. Ayan, may OTAP din si Tito J. Sugar-free low-carb OTAP. Oh, serving size 1 piece. Calories 79. Net carbs 0.3 grams.